Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I'm out with the boys. There's Grandad Mark II there. And then we've got Rough Paddling and Michael Mark II. The machine and pontoon dipper at the far end. And also Marion's knocking about as well. We're down at Kilnhurst. We're going on the River Don. We're doing a bit of a shuttle. So some of us are parking here, some of us are parked at Sprotborough. We're going down over there into the River Don, bits of white water, nice little trip out, under Conisbrough viaduct, all that kind of thing. Let's do this. Alright, just getting in. And go. And we're off. Here comes Frank. So Frank's in the Deschutes 130. Decided to come down backwards. Here comes Michael in the Aqua Spirit. Alright. Here comes John in the PR500 Packraft. Alright, bouncy boy. Here goes Marion in the Seago Vancouver. That's the big beast. Alright.
We're all good, thanks, Scout, we're all good.
And last but not least, here comes the machine in his Packraft. And we're off. Woohoo! Jim's already been for a swim. Yeah, straight after his launch. He's got tipped straight on his side, straight in. So I think he went off to look for his flask.
How many are we on, River?
Seven of us out.
5, we need to balance it at the end.
It's not that choppy on here at the minute. We've had a few floods, so it's just a little bit bouncy. But it's good to be out with the boys again. Oh yeah, love it. This is ace. Hey, it's with PR500 on the water. Woo! There's all the gang. We're moving that fast just without paddling. This is great. I think we'll be there at Sprotborough in about 10 minutes. This is brilliant. Oh, it is so good to be out with the gang. It's like the world's worst decorated tree, innit? We are still in the Christmas period. It is only January the something or other. What is it, 3rd or 4th today? 4th of January. I've been quite poorly over Christmas. I've had COVID, so I've not been out and done much, to be honest. So it's good to be out today. A pair of witches' knickers hung in that tree there, look. Look at all this here. Wow. This is definitely different from the last time I did this. Still not paddling that much. You can see how fast we're moving. Currently moving at 3 miles an hour. Let's see what the boys are doing. That was the worst throw ever. So we've got a bit of ice and stuff over there on the bank. Jim's found something to hold on to. In that area there where you can see the guys playing, there's a little kind of whirlpool area, and it kind of, as the water flows down here, it kind of circles back, so it takes you back on yourself. It's just fun to play in. There's some nice bits of swirly water here that we're just playing around in.
That's weird, it's just locked me in there.
Yeah, it just throws you around sometimes.
I did peep at his work, Only Dogs and Horses.
Who?
Only Dogs and Horses photography. Have you had a look?
I don't know who it is.
Oh, that's what we do.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know you did that.
Yeah.
It's horrible down here, isn't it?
Yeah, I got
Here we go, look, it's a little bit... not so much white water here as fast flow. Oh well. Oh look, it's whirlpooly. Who went this thrilling? Great viewing, eh? To be honest though, it is kind of nice just kind of going with the flow today.
Pardon?
Yeah, it's hard work this. Oh, it's chilly though, so hot coffee's always welcome. You can see what I mean about us flowing well, can't you? Yeah, it's still about 3 miles an hour on this stretch. We're all getting funneled through here. So we've got a lively bit coming up. Everybody's in the way. They're all vying to get to it. Look at them fighting for it, scrabbling to get to the slightly white watery bit. Pushes you to the leftish. You can probably see that with Nigel. It just shoves you around a little bit. There we go. Just flings you around a little bit down here. It's fun. It's good, like Frank's doing there. He's just having a little play in this current because it just gives you a feeling for what it does to your boat. Whoa, sideways on. Bosh. Just look at everybody flowing down here, it's brilliant. Just gently pushed along. Oh, this is where it splits. There's an island here. I've only ever been down that side. Does that look better? I've never been down there. Let's do it. Right, we've never been down this side. Normally, kind of gone down that side there, but we're going to go down this side here today. Quite happy to go first. Does it look? What's it look like? Does it look clear?
Yeah, it looks clear.
Right, let's go down this nice. Yeah, it's all clear. There's a nice little arrow here that just points you in the right direction. Ducks!
Can you feel the bottom of the boat, Carl?
Not today.
Oh, this is it.
I'm sculling. A little bit of a shallow bit here. Bit choppy up ahead. Yeah, this is the fun bit. Let's go. Let's go. Yeehaw. Yeah, this is more like it. We've got the boys coming down. I've paddled back up just so I can play about in it for a bit. kind of stuck here at the moment. Not even moving, not even paddling. And off we go. I want to do that again, that was really strange. That was a proper little sweet spot. See if we can find that again. So round about here it is. How weird. You don't have to find some weird and wonderful things in Doncaster. I don't know what the hell that's been attached to. But it's in good fettle. It's in good nick, that. Bearings are still good. Look. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Starting this kayaking group, the best thing I've ever done. So much fun. Look at that old dilapidated building, probably an old mill or something. Here they come. Right, so we've got the larger one here. We're about approaching the last sort of like fast, well it's not fast flowy but slightly rapidy bit of the day. And this is the one that's got a bit of a drop down. Last time we did this it was barely noticeable because the river was so washed out. It was so high, the river level was so high. It'll be a little bit more obvious today. This is a bit livelier than when we last did it, Raph. Fucking hell! I hit that big rock. There's a bloody big rock. Jeez. To the right! Fucking hell, he's going to hit it. Oh, he's dodged it. This side! This side! I hit that bloody big rock. Did you? Yeah. That log? Yeah. I hit that.
Did you? I just saw it in time.
Oh God, I thought I was going in.
Did you?
That was a bit hairy, that one. That was a bit hairy. I thought I was going in. I don't know whether it's my imagination, but it looks like there's a tree down right across here. Yeah. This is going to be fun. I'll go first. Pathfinder. Oh, we can get round it actually, it's not too bad. No, we're alright. Look at that. It's all good. Jim just said it's not the most picturesque. He's quite right. It does get better, marginally. Big bridge here, not quite sure what this one is. Not even sure where we are at the moment, to be honest with you. I mean, we've only done about 3.5 miles.
Oh, that's a bit more something.
No, it just throws it out the top.
Oh, is it something that drops it out?
Yeah, it's got a little hopper. 3.5 miles. Well, we're finally entering a slightly more scenic part, less debris-ridden area. There you go, look, the first signs that spring is coming. New growth. I appreciate I might be being a bit optimistic there, considering it's only just January. We're just approaching the big lock. We're not going through it, we're just close to it. Another inlet there, look. I've been fanning about collecting balls. We're playing a bit of a game today. See the balls there and stuff. We've been seeing how much stuff we can get in the back of Marion's boat without him noticing. So I've been collecting bits as I'm going along. Childish, I know, but fun. Fun for us. Canal boat going through the big lock. It is a big lock. Look at the size of that beast. Look at that sun trying to get out, eh? I don't think it's going to make it. Anyway, on the left hand side here, there is some kind of, I can't remember what the hell it's called. It's some kind of nature thing where they bring kids and teach them about outdoorsy stuff. It's where Raph, Danny and I got told off for getting out of the boat and having a nosy. To be honest with you, getting told off is something of a theme. Yeah, I've always thought that bit looks a little bit like a prison watchtower. Even without the dog with him, he's still at the back. Look at him. But I'm only at the back because I've been gathering stuff to, you know, play the how much stuff we can get in his boat game. Shh. Missed. Right, I think we're going to get out here and have a bit of porridge. Oh damn, he's found him! He's found him! Well, it was fun while it lasted. Hot porridge. Oh. Here's some I made earlier. So I put it in my little food flask. I used 2 of those, you know, those porridge tubs that you get with bits of porridge in them and you top it up with water. Chuck 2 of them in here. Spoonful of jam. Topped it with water.
The shite's at back of this boat. The shite's at back of this boat.
Yeah, so we've just docked here for a bit of a leg rest. He just wanted to get past us by the look of it. It's just like, yeah, I'm not fucking about with them guys. I just want to get past. Yeah, this is one of the most hodgepodge made bridges we've ever come across. I mean, look at that pillar there, directly in front of you. There's nothing on it. What's the point of it? It's not doing anything.
I think the first is dead fielders.
It just looks like it's held together with bloody tough tape and tie grips. Tough tape and tie grips, I'm telling you. Here's a real prime example. So these pillars here, they're not straight. And you can see there's some kind of ropes that hold onto the pillars that then feed into that far right hand wall. It's just like, oh yeah, well, we better put something there just to hold these up. Got Conisbrough Castle there through the trees. Probably can't even see it. The trees are probably just completely obscuring the view. Good photography, Carl. So over there in the distance, you might just be able to see Conisbrough Viaduct. If you've been on my channel for a while, you'll know this is where I often experience that testicular tingling sensation when I look up, kind of a vertigo thing. Will I experience that today? Stick around if you're interested. Now what do you think, YouTube? I think that's quite an impressive structure. I can't remember how many arches there are, but there are a lot.
Are you going to look up, Carl?
I am, but I need to be right underneath it to know whether it's going to make my balls tingle. Look at them, the daft buggers, they're all testing it out. I don't know who's dafter, I really don't.
Are you up skating, Jim?
Yeah.
Right, so here we are, right underneath it. I'm alright today, I'm alright. I seem to have lost that sensation, I don't know why. How weird. Do your balls tingle?
No. Days like this, you only knob with 3 fingers and fish on 2.
Well, we're not far from Sprotborough now. Up ahead in the distance we can just see the river bollards. Well, you know what I mean, the bollards coming into view that stop you from going over the weir. So with that in mind, I will wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. We've had a bit of a laugh, that's all it's been today. Is there a big thing on the camera there? There you go, is that better? No, probably not. I should have left it there really, shouldn't I? Thanks for watching, you take care of yourself. Cheerio! Cheerio! Oh, and remember to subscribe to Rough Paddling.
Oh yeah. Alright. On the way.
That sounded so